welcome to my channel. Welcome back to all my subbies. My name is Tata. I like to do videos on my fashion and style. So today's video is gonna be an easy makeup tutorial. It's gonna be a Cottagecore makeup tutorial. So I have 3 products I just got from Sephora. Oh, I got a cramp. And I really want to try these out, so this is why I decided to do this makeup video today. But it's gonna be really easy, everyday. So this is like my everyday makeup look. Or I won't say everyday, I don't wear makeup every day, but when I do wear makeup, this is the look I normally go for. Although I'm gonna try something new. I'm gonna try freckles. Let's see how that goes. But it's a easy to do Cottagecore makeup look. And when I think about Cottagecore makeup, I was thinking about simple, natural, not too much glam, you know, basic. So that's what the look is going to be, like very natural type of makeup. So let's get started. Let's start off with a clean and moisturized face, and next I'm going to put on my sunscreen, especially now that it's really hot outside. And this is something new to my routine. I normally don't wear sunscreen, but I need to start wearing it because it does protect your skin, and it's basically good for your skin long term. You don't know, like even though I'm like black, I still need sunscreen. So I'm gonna place this all over my face. As for sunscreen, I'm using the Super Goop On Scene sunscreen. I really like it because, as you can see, it doesn't show up. It's very clear, and it also isn't oily. So it goes on like a silky finish and dries down like a matte. And basically when I'm not wearing makeup, I just put this on every day, and it doesn't really keep my face is naturally oily. It gets super oily, but I noticed with this, it's still oily, but it doesn't make it extra oily, if you know what I mean. So I'm gonna put this all over my face, and also don't forget your neck. Next, I'm gonna add some primer. I like to add my primer because it helps with the foundation. It helps keep the foundation on longer. I'm gonna put it all over my face. Next, I'm gonna put on my foundation. So foundation, I'm using this new one. It's from Fenty. And it's not really a foundation, it's a skin tint. So if you don't know what a skin tint is, it's basically very light coverage foundation. So it's supposed to be like a tinted moisturizer. So it must be very light coverage. So it's not really gonna cover any really dark spots. It shouldn't if it's a true skin tint. And I wanted something light, especially for the summer, because you know when it's hot outside, you don't want to feel, well, I don't like having makeup or feeling makeup on my skin, so I like to have very light coverage. And this one is like, for me, it's super hard to find a good skin tint because I'm always in between colors, and I could never find the perfect match for me. But I went to Sephora the other day, and the sales associate helped me out, and I think this matched well. So I'm using my fingers because that's what they say you should do, but I just want something quick, and it's because it's like a tinted moisturizer, and I normally use my fingers to put on moisturizer. I think this will do. I'm gonna place this, spread it all over my face. Next, I am going to highlight, and for highlight, I just like to place it down the center of my nose, on my chin, and then at the corners of my eyes. I rarely do wear eyeshadow. What I like to do is just place my concealer on my eyelids, so that it's not like, because my eyelids are a little bit darker. Oh, it gets a little dark. Well, it looks a little darker when I put on my foundation. So I just want to make everything like an even tone. And now I'm gonna work on my eyebrows. For eyebrows, I like to keep my eyebrows very simple. I only use a eyebrow tinted mascara, and this one I'm using is from NYX, and it's really good and really cheap. I paid like $5, so you can find them everywhere now, like on CVS. If not, you can't find it anywhere, just go straight online. I'm just gonna brush it through my brows, and you're gonna see the difference it makes. Now you can see one brow has the product and one doesn't, and you can see the difference it makes. And now I'm just gonna finish off my next brow, and I like to comb the product up into my brows, like just brush it up in small strokes and just get between the hairs. That way it gives you a thicker looking eyebrows. I personally like really thick looking eyebrows. Now I'm just gonna contour, nothing too serious. I just like to focus on my nose and my, I forgot what do you call those things, my the hollows on my cheek. A little bit of product goes a long way. You don't really need like a lot of makeup product. I'm gonna put on some blush. I'm gonna use this really dark, deep berry. Oh gosh, this dark, deep berry color, and I love this color because it looks really natural on my skin tone. So if you're like as dark of me. So if you're dark as me or darker, this is a really good blush. Like any type of dark, deep berry color, plum, or even purple looks really nice on dark skin. If you're lighter, like any pink will look natural. So, and with blush, you could, I like using cream blush because it's way easier to work with, and you could build it up slowly. And for blush, I'm just gonna put it like inner corner of my eyes and blend it just like around this area, around my cheeks, to give it that kind of doll effect. Like, I fell in love with this page. I found it on TikTok, and she basically makes these, I think it's called blight dolls. They're so cute. I think I would do like a makeup look. I'll try and look like a blight doll one day or soon. Let's see. So I'm gonna put this here. So I'm focusing like just a circle, like just in the center of my face. I'm not dragging it up. And I'm gonna work on the next side. And I'm gonna squish the beauty blender and place it right like at the tip of my nose here. Like that. And basically add a little at the nostrils, and then just make it connect to the rest of my cheeks. So if you want to leave your eyes like this, you can, but I like to put on some lashes. I have two good recommendations. If you are not a big lash wearer, or if you like natural looking lashes, my favorite are these Demi Wispies from Ardell. And then I just discovered this one from Ardell. It's called Naked Lashes. The number is 421, but it's very, very fluffy, and I did try it on my eye and it looks really natural. So I'm gonna put these on. So now let's put on some lipstick. I really like berry deep reds on my lips. That may not work for you, like for a very natural look, but for me it works. I'm gonna use this here. I just got this from Gucci. It's like this purple lipstick. I love it because it is so pretty on the lips. You're gonna see. So one swipe is good enough for me. And while we wait for that to dry, let's start working on these freckles. So I never did freckles, and basically what gets me, like, I can buy anything as long as the packaging is cute. And when I saw this in Sephora, like, oh, this is cute, and I saw it's actually meant for freckles, I wanted to try it. So I did try it out a little bit, and it's really dark, so it's good for like dark skins. They have like 2 colors, one for fair to medium, and this one here is for deeper skin tones like mine, or if you're a little lighter than me. So I am going to try some, look at videos, and I'm pretty sure I have it. So let's see how this goes. Hopefully it doesn't mess up my makeup, because my makeup is looking so cute. So basically I'm just gonna start putting like different size dots, just centered like around my nose and a little bit on my cheek area here. So it goes on really wet, and what I saw people do is they basically take their fingers and lightly do this, so it transfers. And then I'm gonna repeat. So basically I'll come closer so you can see it. Basically like stains your face a little bit, and that's why it looks like kind of natural. I went a little overboard with the freckles, so I'm just gonna put some more blush over it, so just to make it look a little tad bit more natural, but I don't want to hide them, so I'm just adding as little blush as possible. This is the finished look. I hope you like it, and I hope it was easy to follow along. I don't think it was difficult. So please like, comment if you have any questions, and subscribe to my channel to see more videos like this. Let me know too what videos you'd like to see. I would definitely do that for you, because I'm running out of ideas. I don't know what to make, so let me know what videos you want to see. Also check out my social media, my Instagram. I also have a TikTok. Why can't I speak? A TikTok, so check those out and follow me there. You'll see daily updates of what I do. And thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.